dey watch una.
Naija, as if fuel no dey finish our pockets already, dem wan add another 5% tax from 2026. Dem say na climate policy. For street, dey shout say na IMF handwork. Same group of pipo wey install their padi for Aso Rock against wetin pipo vote. Meanwhile, Baba pack suitcase go Europe again. 10 days vacation. Governors even go airport. Dey wave like say na school excursion. Countless trips. FDI 0. Economic gain -0. Dem dey tax you for fuel here, while dem dey toast with champagne there. Na strategy, abi na scamategy. 2027 no be IMF election o. Guard your PVC like your life. Say no to fuel vampire tax, no to GMO poison, and no to leaders wey dey always japa when country dey bleed. Enough is enough.
If you no laugh, you go learn.